Hey! Are you ready to revolutionize your website creation process? We're thrilled to announce the launch of a game changer in the digital space. Well, buckle up because I've got something incredible to share with you. Introducing WPAi, the revolutionary artificial intelligence powered WordPress website builder that's about to transform the way we create stunning websites. Imagine creating a professional, eye catching WordPress website in just 60 seconds. Yes, you heard that right, 60 seconds. With WPAI, it's not just possible, it's a reality. And here's why WPAI is creating waves in the industry. Lightning fast creation. Say goodbye to hours of coding and designing. WPAI does it all in under a minute. AI powered intelligence. The smart algorithm understands your needs and create a website tailored just for you. WordPress integration. Enjoy all the benefits of WordPress with the simplicity of an AI builder. Stunning designs. Choose from a wide range of beautiful modern templates optimized just for any niche. User friendly interface. No technical skills required. If you can click a button, you can create a website. But wait, there's more. The WPAI launch is happening on September 13th at 11 am Eastern Standard Time, and you don't want to miss out on this opportunity.